In Excel, sometimes you want to display zero values as an empty cell. To do that, hide the value. To change an entire workbook, select File, Options, Advanced. Uncheck the box for Show a zero in cells that have zero value, and then select OK. To change a single cell, select it, then select Format, Format Cells. Select Number, Custom, and scroll to find the value starting with 0, semicolon. Press OK to hide the value. To display a hidden value in a single cell, select it, then with the Number Format pull-down, choose General. You got it!